Tired of blurry images ruining your projects? Today, we're diving deep into Nano Banana to unlock the secret of pristine, high-resolution images, no matter the original quality. First, head over to the Nano Banana website. You'll see a clear upload button right there. Click it and select the low-resolution image you want to transform. Once you've selected your image, sit back for a moment. Nano Banana needs a little time to analyze it and prepare for the resolution boost. This might take a few seconds, depending on your image size and internet speed. Now, the magic happens. You'll see a range of upscaling options. You can choose a predefined setting like 2x or 4x to double or quadruple the resolution, or, for more control, select a custom resolution to fine-tune the output to your exact needs. Before you finalize, take a good look at the side-by-side preview. This allows you to compare the original blurry image with the enhanced version in real time, ensuring that you're happy with the results. Satisfied with the upgrade? Great! Click the download button to save your newly enhanced, high-resolution image. It's that simple. Now you can use your crisp, clear image in any project.